Welcome to your journey toward financial freedom. Imagine a life where money isn't a source of stress, but a tool to build the future you've always dreamed of. Whether it's traveling the world, owning your dream home, or simply living without the weight of financial worry, mastering personal finance is the first step toward making those dreams a reality. If you're new to managing money, don't worry. You're not alone. Everyone starts somewhere, and today, you're taking that first step toward building wealth and creating a secure financial future. The power of budgeting, your foundation for success. The cornerstone of personal finance is budgeting. Think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It shows you where you are and where you want to go. Start by tracking your income and expenses. How much money comes in each month? How much goes out? Break your expenses into categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture, set limits for each category to ensure you're spending less than you earn. Remember, every dollar you save today is a step closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about aligning your spending with your goals and values. Save first, spend later. Building financial security. Here's a golden rule. Pay yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings. Aim to build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will protect you from unexpected events like medical bills or job loss. Once your emergency fund is in place, focus on long-term savings like retirement. Even if you can only save a small amount now, consistency is key. Thanks to the power of compound interest, your money can grow significantly over time. Start early and let time work in your favor. The importance of financial literacy. Knowledge is power. To truly master personal finance, you need to invest in your financial education. Take time to learn about topics like credit, debt, investing, and taxes. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos that break down these concepts in simple terms. Understanding how credit scores work, for example, can save you thousands in interest over your lifetime. Learning the basics of investing can help you grow your wealth and outpace inflation. Remember, knowledge is one of the most powerful tools you have when it comes to building wealth. Take action. Today, your future self will thank you. The most important step you can take is to start, right here, right now. Personal finance isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Set small, achievable goals, like saving $500 for an emergency fund or paying off one credit card. Celebrate your wins along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Every step you take brings you closer to financial independence and the life you've always envisioned. You have the power to change your financial future, and it all starts with the decisions you make today. So take that first step. You've got this.